Buenos dias, Henry Mom here, the Bentorni from Zamboanga City, and it's another day of Henry Kids Bento Baon, made personalized, fun, and nutritious. Last Saturday, I finally tried my first nori art using precision cutter. Ito yung technique na I really wanted to try kasi napanood ko yung mga videos ni Mommy Danny's Deco Ben, and then ni Mommy Pauline Racho. Also, I've been wanting to make a Super Mario themed bento kasi isa si Super Mario sa mga favorite cartoon characters ko before. Tapos yung sa Game Boy din, nilalaro ko dati sa Game Boy ng classmate ko. Tapos, nung bar exam kasi, yung bar chair namin is si Associate Justice Mario V. Lopez. So, gumawa kami ng GC, kaming mga classmates during the review. Tapos, doon kami nag-share ng mga materials. Tapos, nag-ask questions from each other. So, yung name ng GC namin, Super Mario. Kasi nga, Super Mario Bar. Kaya to finally, nagawa ko din yung Super Mario bento ko at saka yung pag-practice ko ng nori art using craft or precision cutter. Tapos, yung technique lang doon is you print any character that you want on regular bond paper and then you put the nori under it and then you trace the outlines of the drawing. Since this was my first time, I didn't know na kailangan pala yung details sa loob ng drawing or yung sa gitna, yung dapat mong unahin na ikat. Kasi kung uunahin mo ikat yung sa labas-labas ng mga details, yung sa gitnang details, magdi-detach na siya sa buong drawing. So, may hirapan ka na. Just what I did, yung face, medyo hindi ko siya inuna. Kaya parang natanggal na siya. Nahirapan na akong ikat yung face. Using the cutter, so nag-scissors na lang ako para mas madali. And after you cut it, dapat pala hindi mo muna siya tanggalin sa papel para ilatag mo siya sa rice na nakadikit pa yung nori sa papel para hindi mawala sa form yung nori. So, I didn't know that yet. But thanks to the tips of Mommy Danny and Mommy Pauline, they gave me tips on how to properly lay the cut nori on the rice. Yun din pala, dapat yung rice hindi siya steamy hot kasi kukulubot na yung nori agad at magdidikit na siya. So, mahihirapan ka na naayusin yung forma ng nori. And then, you paint na lang the details. Yung painting, I really have to learn how to paint properly para hindi mag-smudge yung color sa katabi na dapat ibang color na. I used soy sauce for the skin color of Mario. Sometimes you can use ketchup. But for the other colors, I used Chef Master Liquid Gel. Diluted in water so you can control the color. But I have yet to learn how to properly do it as well. So that's it. I'm gonna practice doing more nori art, either freehand or using precision cutter. Muchas gracias, love, and Mom.